My people, I don't bring una Rema matter o. For those of una we no know Rema na Nigerian musician o, and I sing girl I'm in love with your booty bounce. Girl I'm in love with your booty bounce. I sure say una know that song. Rema ex record label boss, in name na Piccolo. Piccolo don dey call Rema out o, because in dey talk say in invest in hard-earned money for where Rema dey, and today Rema dey claim say in start music 2 years ago. My people, make una watch the video of when Rema been dey that record label and how he dey praise this Piccolo back then. Make una watch the video.
Really, give you their all. Yeah. You understand?
Yeah,
so
like invest everything.
Yeah, everything. Piccolo invested everything in us. Aww. And look at us right now. We're moving fast. What took people 2 years to get took us like 3 months. Yeah.
Wow.
And it was really awesome. It's really awesome.
Oh, you know how.
Abi una don hear all the good things wey Rema bring out from him mouth. As una see that video, Rema still dey small inside. Na old video be that. Piccolo talk say in almost losing life when he dey move between Benin and Lagos just to promote Rema and Alpha P. Since Rema don dey come out dey talk, I never even hear where he mention Piccolo name. And now Piccolo dey talk say na the reason why Edo men dey fear to invest for entertainment. Una dey see wetin dey happen? For me, I go feel say as Rema don big, at least make e show some form of appreciation. At least make him talk, oh, before I became like this, na so person do this one for me, before I reach this stage, before this one, before that one. Some people now go dey open their mouth, they talk say, he don finish on that record label now. He's on to the next one. And if he finish this one, he's on to... Abeg, make the Rema remember where he take start. Everything now where you take start be the cocoa. Now where you take start to where you don't reach matter. So if you know they mention where you take start, you can't cut them. They mention only when you don't big. When things don't they happen, it's a very bad act. For me, nothing good past appreciation. Nothing good past say at least if they call you for TV things, so if they talk about your story concerning music, my musical career, you go feel mention, oh, Piccolo was the person that did this for me, but right now I'm in so record label, but I still thank Piccolo. You know how they're supposed to talk all these things now? In the history of life, I never hear where Rema mention this man name. I should say now, why invest for this particular one when they claim say Insta music 2 years? That one pain, I'm sure. Now be why him come out they talk. And some people go talk say, why him go come out they talk? Why him no go talk? If now you invest your hard-earned money for person, still risk your life, they go in between, you almost die because of that person. Because if those people know your record label, wait till they go, they travel up and down for. You know go they travel, you go still there accident. That accident self will happen. You know what happen. But this one, after everything, Rema, nobody they hear Piccolo name for Rema mouth, which is really bad. Ha, my people, for me, I won't ask you now for una. Wait till una feel. Una feel say because you know the record label, no need to they mention in name, or no need to show appreciation. I don't even sure say Rema give that guy money. This one where Rema don't make money for this life. I don't even sure say he give am money for the man to the vest like this. Now be say the thing really pay now. So my people, I want make una talk una own mind though for this matter. Una wait till una get concerning this matter. Say this is where Rema they do good, or the Piccolo as in call am out, he no good. Wait till una, I just they think, waiting they una mind, make una put them for the comment section. No, please make una no forget, like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hey, Enugu State Police, they don't turn people Children's Day to adult flogging day. Hey, my people, Enugu State Police officers, they flog adults because say they go celebrate birthday for Children's Day. My people, make una watch the video. See how these people take, I don't know how that I call them assault, I been a flog. Make una watch them.
Jesus. What is all this thing?
Hey, off, drop your phone.
Abi una don see. Na girls I dey see, una go know say truly dem go birthday and abi dem dress like party. Abi una dey see how they take flog them. See person back. police see person back, see wetin dem do person pikin because of say dem comot go birthday for children's day. Which kind matter be this one? Now one of the victims talk say the friend birthday na the same day as children's day, so dem say make dem comot go catch small fun and still go catch small cruise. Hey, now Mr. Cruise Master, dem don give una that one. This one na Toyota Cruiser, abi na Land Cruiser. Dem give una, dem give brutality where una wan go catch small cruise, dem don beat una. And this thing e happen for Enugu State. Hey, my people, I no even know where to start from. Police wey suppose to dey protect life and property, dem don dey protect life and property on top of people body. Which kind thing be this one? Me, I no even know wetin to talk because this one dem treat these people like say dem be criminals. See as dem put them for ground like say dem commit one big crime. Police brutality make e stop for Nigeria because I no know wetin to talk again. This one na real police brutality and e no good at all at all. I can't sit down after I watch this video, watch, think, reason. But the other side of my mind come dey tell me say Nigeria, dem fit dey do curfew for some part of the country. So maybe for this Enugu, curfew hour don reach, people still dey go dey shayo, dem come shayolize them for road like this. My people, if curfew hour don reach, make una go una house. Now we no know the full detail. The only thing wey we know be say dem dey flog them for children's day because dem go birthday. Dem no go tell us whether curfew hour reach na be the reason why dem dey flog them. We no hear that part. But even if curfew hour don reach, dem no suppose to dey flog people children like that. At least even arresting them or holding them down, putting them in police custody, at least that one for do something. This one they don already dey design their body. For me, that one e no gel at all for my own side. I no even gbadu am at all. Dem no suppose do that kind of thing to these children. So my people, wetin una reason? Una feel say na because dem comot for children's day, or una feel say dem don commit another atrocity, abi na another crime? Because this talk say dem bin dey comot, dem can't stop them for road. So how dem go just stop una, tell una come down like that, put them for ground, lie all of them down, they flog them? Police never dey mad. Even if dem take ogogoro sef, I no sure say dem go dey do that kind thing. Then be say something don aggravate this thing. One thing, and if I know that one thing, I go bring and tell una for this place, because this story e no even sound legit, e no even sound complete. So if I get the complete detail as e dey what, I go dey drop am for una to dey enjoy the moment, dey understand wetin dey happen. So my people, if una get anything to talk concerning this thing, make una put am for the comment section. As for me, I go continue to shout am, say no to police brutality, say no to police brutality, because I no understand. Today na army dey brutalize, tomorrow na police. I no even know the people I go tag for this stop police brutality, or I go put stop military brutality. I no know the caption. But I beg my people, if una get anything to talk concerning this matter, make una drop am for the comment section. We go reply una one by one. No forget, please like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.